Hello my beautiful people. Today I'm super excited because I'm gonna be showing you how to make very delicious egg and spinach dishes, but there is a twist I want you to take in consideration. I want also to talk about navigating Turkish cuisine for a healthier diet, because I know some of you always see me making Turkish cuisines, but I want to give you my tips while I'm cooking this delicious meal. So you're gonna be getting two things. You're gonna be learning how to make this delicious meal, or maybe delicious spinach spinach egg recipe, and also you're gonna be getting tips on how to navigate through Turkish cuisine for healthier diet. So welcome. Now, Turkish cuisine is known for its rich flavors, aromatic spices, and a lot of array of dishes that are actually flavorful, from water mouth-watering kebabs and also decadent pastries, and a lot of ingredients that have been used in Turkish cuisine. Turkey food is a true feast for senses. However, indulging in traditional Turkish cuisine can sometimes pose a challenge for those looking to maintain a healthier diet. That's why in this video I'm going to be exploring and sharing with you how you can actually navigate through Turkish cuisine while making nutritious choices. So welcome again. Now, the very first thing I want to give you, as you follow my steps in cooking this, very easy. I'm going to repeat the video so that you can understand what I'm cooking, but I'm also talking to you guys. Now, the very thing you have to do, the tip number one, is actually for you to understand the Turkish cuisine. Turkish cuisine is characterized by its use of fresh ingredients such as vegetables, legumes, grains, and lean proteins. Olive oil, yogurt, and the variety of herbs, spices play a significant role in adding flavors to these kind of dishes. Now, grilling, roasting, and also stewing are common cooking methods in Turkish cuisines, creating dishes that are both flavorful and also wholesome and healthy wise. Now, I'm going to give you also my other tip that I think is so beneficial, and that is healthy eating tips. While Turkish cuisine offers a variety of delicious options, it is essential to be mindful of certain aspects that may not align with healthy diet. For example, dishes with high saturated fats, sugar, and salt should be consumed in moderation. Opting for grilled or baked dishes, choosing whole grains over refined grains, and incorporating more vegetables into your meals are simple ways to make your food healthy and also to make healthy choices. Now, traditional Turkish dishes and their health benefits also play a significant role. Many traditional Turkish dishes are packed with nutrients and also offer health benefits. For instance, dishes like mezes or appetizers, if you have been in Turkish restaurant you will understand, or maybe dishes like lentil soup and grilled fish are excellent source of protein and also fiber and essential vitamins and minerals. By moderating portion sizes, avoiding healthy sauces, and also reducing added sugars, you can enjoy these dishes guilt-free, knowing that you are eating healthier meals. Now, let's talk about ingredients to incorporate. To enhance the nutritional value of your meals, consider incorporating ingredients commonly used in Turkish cuisines that are actually high in antioxidants and also in vitamins and minerals. Some examples include tomatoes, eggplant, chickpeas, lentils, and nuts. Okay, experimenting with these ingredients can help you boost the health quotient and also make your dishes while you are actually adding depth of flavor into your meals. Let's talk about eating out tips, because I know a lot of you also love going out in the restaurant, in beautiful restaurants. Okay, now When dining at Turkish restaurants, keep in mind that portion sizes are often generous, okay? Consider sharing dishes with a dining companion or maybe opting for smaller portions. Choose grilled or roasted dishes over fried options and ask for dressings and sauces on the side to control added fats and also sugars. Enjoy your meal mindfully, savoring each bite and also listening to your body's hunger cues. Don't overeat, because I know Turkish restaurants, they offer a lot, and also they offer very healthy meals. In conclusion, while my food is almost ready, guys, I want to tell you that navigating Turkish cuisines for healthier diet is entirely achievable with a bite of knowledge, or maybe with a bit of knowledge and mindfulness. By making informed choices, incorporating nutrient-dense ingredients, and practicing portion control, you can actually eat your meal deliciously and also have these flavors of Turkish cuisines while nourishing your body. Embrace the culinary delights of Turkish cuisines while prioritizing your health and well-being. I hope you have actually gotten all these tips, and also you have followed my simple way of cooking maybe spinach with eggs. This meal, I kid you not, it's so delicious. Like I have shown you and I'm repeating to show you, it is very simple, very healthy. You use the ingredients that you have, but I'm just showing you what I normally do, and it's nice. Like right now, the way I'm doing it, just some onions with some butter. You can use olive oil, add some little salt, and then just fry them. Let the onions be actually golden brown, and once they are done, you add in your spinach, especially the smaller ones. This one are the larger ones, but I have chopped to make them a little bit smaller. And then you're gonna be using your eggs, or maybe you're gonna be adding in your eggs. Remember to do everything moderately, and also depending on the option that you have. For instance, I added in some sweet green chili. If you don't like chilies, you can actually don't put in, or rather you cannot include in the meal. Okay, so once everything is done, you add in your tomatoes. If you have tomato paste, you can add in, and then let it actually cook for a few minutes, maybe 5 minutes, because spinach doesn't need to be cooked a lot. Just steam it a little bit, okay? And then once it is done, you add in your eggs and let it actually cook for 2 minutes, and then that is it. You have your delicious, nutritious spinach egg meal. Okay, it's so very simple. I'll leave you to watch the rest of the video. If you're finding my value in my videos, you want to see more, especially when it comes to this kind of content, do me one favor, guys, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and until next time, I see you. Bye.